Okay, friends, very good morning. Today we are going to have a brief discussion on the general communication system and the optical communication system. Okay, let us have the general block diagram. So, the general block diagram involves information source, transmitter, transmission medium, receiver, demodulator, and destination. So, information source and destination. The three blocks, the middle of the information source and destination, the middle three blocks are are termed as communication system blocks. Transmitter means modulator, transmission medium, and receiver demodulator. These three blocks are termed as communication system. So, information source, source which is given as input. Okay, source which is given as input, and it is in the form of data, words, the message signal, and message signal, whatever it may be, data and words, message signal. The information source is in that particular form. It is a non-electrical signal. Okay, it is a non-electrical signal. The general communication system consists of a transmitter, medium, and receiver, and then the transmitter takes the data or message from the information source, which is normally in the form of electrical, which is in the form of non-electrical form. But in communication system we need electrical signal. So that purpose, then that non-electrical signal can be converted into electrical signal by using the transducer. So what is the main function of transducer? To convert one form of energy into the another form of energy. We are giving non-electrical signal in the information source, and we are converting into electrical signal, and it can be modulated. Then the non-electrical signal can be converted into electrical signal by transducer. Then the channel which is present in between the transmitter and the receiver, the channel is of mainly three types we are using. For copper cable, coaxial cable, and optical fiber. For short distance communications, we are using copper cable, and for the long distance communication, we are using coaxial cable. And for the high frequency ranges and for the extremely long frequencies, we are going to use optical fiber. Is in the form of, and it is mainly used in the form of telephone communications. Okay, the receiver receives the signal which is in the electrical form. The receiver receives the signal in the demodulator section in the electrical form, and is converts into non-electrical form, and it is given to the destination. Okay, and in the receiver section it receives the electrical signal and converts it into non-electrical signal, and it is given to the destination. Then the destination contains the original information. Okay, the destination contains the original information, and it is sent to original information which to be sent through the information source, that is of data or message. Okay, and after obtaining the non-electrical signal, it can be sent to destination point. Whatever we given in the information, so that same data will be sent to the receiver section. Okay, and then optical fiber communication system. So what is the main difference between the general block system, general communication system, and the optical communication system is we are using optical source and optical cable and optical detector in the optical fiber communication system. So optical fiber communication system, information source here, in the information source. In the form of same audio, video signals which are of non-electrical signal only. These non-electrical signals are converted into electrical signals and is given to the transmitter by simply using transducer also, which the optical which The optical source main function is to convert the electrical signal into the optical signal simply by using LEDs or lasers. And that same light signal will be passed through the optical fiber cable, and it is allowed to optical detector. So what is the main function of optical detector? Means it converts light signal into electrical signal, and it can be received to electrical receiver. Okay, we are giving non-electrical signal, and here in electrical receiver we obtain through by passing through the optical detector, we are obtaining the electrical signal. And in this section, the electrical signal is converted into non-electrical signal, and the same information whatever we given in the information source is sent to the destination point. Okay, this is the general block system and optical fiber communication system. This is the main function of optical fiber communication system. Here we are observing optical source, optical fiber cable, and optical detector. So what is optical source? LEDs or laser lights. The electrical signal which is obtained from transmitter section is converted into light signal, and it is allowed to pass through optical fiber cable. And in optical detector, the light signal which is passing is converted into electrical signal and is sent to electrical receiver. And in electrical receiver, whatever the information we have given in the information source, and it is again converted to its original data, and it is sent through destination port. This is what the general block system and optical fiber communication system. Okay friends, thank you.